How to reset Windows 10 easy step-by-step tutorial. Is your Windows 10 PC running into issues, slowing down, or behaving unexpectedly? A system reset might be the solution you need. In this comprehensive guide, we'll take you through the steps of resetting Windows 10 to give your computer a fresh start. Let me show you how. First, click on the Start menu. Click on the Settings icon. OK. Now click on the Update and Security option. Click on Recovery. Now under Rest this PC option, click on Get Started. OK, here you will see two options. The one of Keep My Files. This will remove apps and settings but keeps your personal files. Another one is to remove everything. This will remove all of your personal files, apps, and settings. OK. Then for this video, I will choose this second option. Again, there will be two options. The one will cloud download, and the local reinstall. For this video I'm going to use this second option. Here click on the Next. Now on Ready to Reset this PC option. Click on Reset. Here you will see Preparing Reset. This device will automatically restart, so be patient. So, after that go on set up your PC as new. Done. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more tech guides and tutorials. Thank you for watching.